Hello, hello, how are you? I'm teacher Shelby. This is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Now, today we're going to just have a little small talk conversation in English. What is small talk? Small talk is just a short, friendly conversation you have with people that you don't know very well. You don't want to talk about really deep topics like personal things or topics that would make someone upset or uncomfortable. So you have small talk. You make small talk with coworkers, neighbors, maybe even new friends that you don't know yet very well. So you'll make small talk. Let's do it together. Let's go. Now, I have 5 common small talk phrases we use in English all the time. The first one is, "Hi, how's it going?" How's it going? Hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going? This is just a very friendly hello. It's more informal and more natural than hello, how are you? Hello, how are you is too formal. But hi, how's it going? Or hey, how's it going? We use this all the time. Phrase number 2 is, nice weather today, isn't it? Nice weather, nice weather today, isn't it? It's perfect for starting a conversation, a small talk conversation. Comment on the weather. Say, oh, it's a beautiful day. It's warm today. Or it's so cold today. To talk about the weather, it's very common for Americans as the opening of the conversation because maybe we don't know what to talk about or we feel a little uncomfortable. And so we talk about the weather. In a conversation, if there's an awkward silence or like too much silence, I don't know what to say next. Nice weather today, isn't it? I will comment on the weather. Something super American and cultural for sure. Number 3, what do you do for fun? 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 It's great if you meet someone new. You want to know about their hobbies, what they enjoy doing in their free time for fun. What do you do for fun? For me, I love to ski in the winter, and in the other seasons, I enjoy gardening. All year long, I enjoy spending time with friends, family, drinking coffee, reading books, studying Spanish, teaching English. I enjoy a lot of things. I have a lot of fun in my life. Number 4, I've heard, I've heard a lot about you. I've heard a lot about you. I've heard a lot about you. This is a polite way, a very educated way to greet someone that maybe you've heard of, but you've never met personally before. So you say, oh, hey, this is Teacher Shelby. This is my friend. Oh, hey, I've heard a lot about you. So nice to finally meet you. Okay, number 5 is it was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. This is a friendly way to end the conversation. I gotta go. So I say, oh, well, it was great talking to you, or it was great seeing you. It was great running into you, super informal. If the meeting isn't planned, you just see someone, you say, oh, And you're talking with them. Oh, it was great running into you. I gotta go. It was great talking to you. Now, here, bonus, a little conversation. I might say, hey, how's it going? Pretty good. How about you? Not bad. This is a common phrase in English. We say, not bad. I'm just getting some coffee. Yeah, nice weather today, isn't it? It's so sunny out. Yeah, I love it. It's warm. It's my favorite weather. Nice. Well, it was great talking to you. Yeah, you too. See ya around. It's a common one. See ya around. Kind of like see you later. There you go. A quick mini dialogue using a few of those small talk phrases. Now you can start some small talk in English too. Tell me below, what small talk phrase will you use today? Write it in the comments. And this is the last time you're going to see me looking the exact same in a video. I promise next Friday I'll be wearing different clothes. I'll still be me. I'll still be Teacher Shelby, but I will be back from my travels across to another country. Do you remember? If you watched my video last week, you know I am spending 3 weeks of November in Malaysia and Indonesia. So the next video you see, I will be home from my trip. I can't wait to make more videos about English and tell you all about it. It's going to be so fun. So if you missed my video last week all about Black Friday, that's like going on right now. Check it out if you want to learn about Black Friday. Maybe you're getting some shopping done this weekend if you have Black Friday where you live. Thanks for watching. Share this video with a friend. Of course, like, subscribe if you're having a great time here at Conversa. I'll see you later. Bye.